Can you show me what you've done today? No, don't play with those yet. Here, I want to see your bags. Will you show me a bag that you've done? Here, no scissors. Scissors aren't safe. Show me what you've decorated today. So what are you going to give your classmates for Valentine's Day? Can you show me one?
Valentine's is Valentine.
Yes.
Wait, Valentine's.
What's on there? A tiger?
No. It's not a tiger.
What is it?
It's a
What is it?
That's a tiger.
Right.
That's a shark.
Uh-huh.
And that one is a whale, and that's a dolphin.
Yep.
I would do the dolphin.
Okay, let's do a dolphin.
I would do that. We're not finished yet. This works. Let's draw over here.
Are you really? You're gonna draw on that?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay.
And that works.
It doesn't work.
And I do that. It just says zebra. I will color it right here.
Yeah.
And that works. And that works. Yeah.
Got it.